If you want to use Translator for conversation on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your Translate. Great, here at the bottom, let's find our conversation option. So set up two languages. This is gonna be our input language and this is gonna be our output language. And let's try it out. Hello, how are you? Right, so now we can say something in Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Right, and it works to both sides. And basically that's it. Also, if you're afraid about your pronunciation or maybe something is not correct.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Right, you can make the translator say this thing
Hello,
for
how
you.
are you?
And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.